In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're organizing your finances or aiming for a tidier chart of accounts, merging duplicate or similar accounts can bring significant clarity and efficiency to your bookkeeping process. So, let's dive right in and walk through this together step by step. First, let's get started by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Open up Google Chrome, which often works best with QuickBooks for seamless performance. Once you're there, enter your username and password. Having trouble logging in? Double check to ensure there are no typos and remember that passwords are case sensitive. After you're in, we're ready to move to the next step. Now, we'll navigate to the chart of accounts, so direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the gear icon right there. Give it a click, and under the Your Company section, you'll select Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll manage and review all your financial accounts in QuickBooks. Next up, it's time to decide which accounts you want to merge. Look through the list and identify the two accounts that make sense to combine. Think of it this way. You have a primary account, which is the one you'll keep, and a secondary account, which will be merged into the primary. A key thing to remember here is that the account name and type of the secondary account must exactly match those of the primary account for the merge to proceed smoothly. This ensures a seamless transition of all past transactions. Once you've made your selection, we'll focus on editing the secondary account. Find this account on your Chart of Accounts list and head to the Action dropdown where you'll click Edit. Here's your chance to change the account name to exactly match the primary name. Double check that both the type and detailed type fields match as well. When everything looks good, all you have to do is click Save and Close. At this point, QuickBooks will prompt you with a message letting you know this account name is already in use. Do you want to merge? This is exactly what we want, so go ahead and click Yes to confirm the merge. This prompt is your final checkpoint to make sure everything is correctly aligned before proceeding. Finally, let's verify that the merge was successful. Go back to your Chart of Accounts, and you should notice that the secondary account no longer appears in the list. All transactions from this account now live under the primary account, providing a more streamlined view. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully merged accounts in QuickBooks Online, helping you keep everything neat and organized. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials.